Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel of Make It with Mia. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some of Dollar Tree's newest and hottest items that you are not going to want to miss. I absolutely love all of these new finds, so I can't wait to jump right in. For the first one, we are going to be taking a couple of these rugs because I absolutely fell in love with them. They are super nice and really high-end vintage looking, which is my favorite. I love anything vintage, and these rugs are absolutely stunning. For I believe they were $7 each, which is not bad at all compared to a price that you would pay online for these types of rugs, specifically in these designs. So I did go ahead and pick up two, and you can find these in the aisle where they keep all of their bathroom shower curtains and stuff like that. As you can see here, they always have a ton of shower curtains and shower liners for about $5, which is not bad. But this is where the rugs are located, and let me know if you have seen these already in your Dollar Tree, because I know some Dollar Trees are different and they range in what they sell, and some of them might bring them out even later than others or earlier than others and stuff like that. But I'm gonna place one here in my bedroom. This one has more of a darker tone inside of the design. The other one that I picked up has a lighter tone, so I picked up the other one for my daughter's room and this one for mine, and you can see how pretty it looks here. I think it's super nice, and it just gives the whole entire look of your bedroom a different type of style and feel whenever you add a little bit of design and contrast within the decor. And honestly, once again, the design and look of these for just $7 at Dollar Tree is an absolute steal. So I recommend you picking these up, even if you want to place them wherever in your home. It's going to look great. So you can see the other one here, you can kind of tell that it has a lighter pattern to it with the flowers, which is really pretty. So I placed this down in my daughter's bedroom, so when she gets up off of her bed, she has something nice and soft to place her feet onto, which is nice. Of course, if you wanted something more fluffy, this wouldn't be for you, but I actually don't mind this material and it being not, that fluffy sort of hairy type of rug. I'm not really a big fan of those rugs, being that they do tend to mat a lot and get tangled, the fibers and hairs of that rug. But everyone has their preference, right? And these are absolutely gorgeous. So let me know what you think of these rugs. So I wanted to show off some of Dollar Tree's new spring items and Easter items. You can see here they have a whole bunch of little plants and flowers, stuff like that, artificial of course. And then you can see all of this new collection, new colors for spring, the light pink, blue, purples, greens, which are super cute. They have more stuff there. And then I'm just walking down this aisle here. I always love to check out their arts and crafts section, just to see what they have new as well. But they have a ton of new items for spring, so I definitely recommend you checking them out if you do like to decorate for spring. But some organizing items that I found was this little storage cube that you can see there. It closes with a zipper, and it also has the little straps to keep it nice and compact, which I thought was very nice. I did pick up two of them just because I feel like these will be of great use for many things to organize around the home. And they do have two different colors here, which both colors are actually really cute, so you can pick up your preference of color. And then I also found these are a shoe bag that also has a hanger to hang these. Now I find these really interesting because when you are traveling and things like that, you can keep them nice and organized and keep your shoes nice and safe, not only from dust but from getting scratched up or anything like that, rubbing against other things, but also because I did do an organizing hack for shoes using these mesh laundry bags. These come with 3 3 in a pack. So honestly, if you can't find this specific shoe bag, the new item that they put out that I'm holding here, you can use those mesh laundry bags because they are about the same size, and I feel that they work just the same. Obviously, the mesh laundry bags has tiny holes in them, but it still does protect your shoe if you can't find these. So I did go ahead and pick up a couple of these because I just like them in general to, you know, keep your favorite sneakers nice and safe and taken care of. And you can hang them in your closet or hang them anywhere if you are traveling and, you know, you want to hang them fairly quickly in your hotel when you get there, or whatever the case may be. This is super perfect and convenient. So I really do like them, and I recommend you pick them up because it's a great find. And of course, we have to check out their aisle where they have their wallpapers, their photo frames, and things like that. You can always find a random new item here just on the shelf laying off to the side. This being the butterfly hanger that I find really nice and convenient for something, maybe hang a towel in your bedroom or in the bathroom. I think it's really cute. They have different colors there. They also have this sort of galvanized little wall decor that I think is really cute as well. And then I also found down here the same hook for something in your home, but this is a flower with a little gold trim that you can see there. It's a little bit distressed and rustic looking. They do have the black and the gray color, and I thought these were really pretty, so I ended up picking up the black one for my daughter's room, and I am going to use that to hang up her towel because I just think it's super pretty and a really nice way to bring in some definition and something appealing to the eye for something so simple such as hanging a towel. So I really think these are a great find as well, and not only for this but for many things such as hanging a jacket, a purse, or even keys. This is definitely a good find. Next up, I found this super nice and pretty hair clip. I always check out their hair section as well because I love to pick out new things for my daughter's hair as well as mine for you know, certain occasions and things like that. So I found these cowboy hats, cowgirl hats, hair clips that I thought was super pretty and a different find. So I did pick up this one here, this brown one, because I thought it was super cute and it really does look like a little cowboy hat. And then I picked up the pink one for my daughter. I think these are super pretty. You would have to let me know if you have seen these yet, but I always love to check out their hair clips because they put out a ton of new ones all of the time. So be sure you check them out if you do love hair clips and things like that as well. If you've enjoyed watching today's newest finds from Dollar Tree and me showing you all of the nice new items that they have, then you're not going to want to miss my next video where I show you how I use and different ways that you can use this storage cube from Dollar Tree. I am going to focus on using this one and another one that I found that you're not going to want to miss. So make sure you stay tuned to my next video and make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss that video and any other videos that I post in the future. Thank you so much, my friend, for sticking around to the very end of my video and watching with me. It is truly appreciated, so thank you so much from the bottom of my heart, and I hope you all had an amazing Valentine's Day with much love with your family and friends, and I will see you all on the next one. Take care and God bless.